Okay, so let's go that far. We got this up and down. We got A string down to the B string one at a time there. Come on back, and then the last two notes, you can put the pinky on the 7th fret of the A, hit that 7 to 6 on the D, so it's... And then we do it again. Now we're going to come in here. This is a tricky chord. You got 6, 7, 6, 4. So we're going to go. So we come down that far on that. The last two notes are 7 on the A to 4 on the D. So it's... Now we're going to come to an A flat major, but we're not going to hit the bass note of it. We're going to start with the 6 on the 5th string. So that's 6, 6, 5, 4, starting on the A. Then we're going to hit the big A flat bass. So that's 4 on the E string to its octave, 6 on the D. So let's review. We got... Now we're coming into an A. We're going to skip the 5th string. We're going to start on the bass note. That was the 7 to 7, 5th to 4th strings. So once again, we start on the bass note, skip the A string on the way down. Then we hit the A string with the D string. Now we're back to C sharp minor. Just do the 4, 6 at the end of that. And then we have an A7. A couple ways you could do this. You could go like A bass and then skip the D string and go open 2, 3, 2, open. You got to end with a 2 on the D to open G. So it's like, and then open A, skip the D string, O 2, 2, let those ring out. So it's. D chord. Last two notes here is going to be 4 on the D to the 2 on the G, so it's... Now we're going to go to a diminished, open, 1, open, but before this last 1, to finish the diminished, we're going to have a 2 in there. So it's... So open, 1, open, starting on the D string, open, 1, open, 2 to 1. And then we do the whole thing again. Okay, so we're going to do the whole thing 3 times in a row. So let's take each part again. We're going to have the 3 and 4 and C sharp minor twice. Got that pinky in there. We had this interesting, we got middle finger on the 6, 6, 7, 6, 4 down here in the 2nd string. Last two notes, 7 to 4, and then A flat chord, but not on the bass yet. There's the bass. Then we go into A. Back to C sharp minor. Finish that with a 4, 6. Then we got the A7. Open, open, 2, 3. 2, open, and then open, skip the D, open, 2, 2. D chord. 4 to 2. Open, 1, open, and this can be tough, you gotta get those really tall. Open, 1, open, 2, 1. Then you pop back into it. 3rd time. A7 getting towards the end. You got that D chord again. 4 to 2. Okay, after 3 times, you're going to get to the bridge. We're going to have an F sharp or a G flat major chord. twice through that one. Now we're gonna go up two to the A flat, but we're gonna do a 7. So have the 4th fret of the D string going. So we kind of just pull this one out of where it would normally be. Kind of have those like that. We're just gonna have it like this. 4, skip the A, 4, 5, 4, and then go 7 to 4. Skip the A again, go up the chord. Okay, so it's F sharp, we got bridge, A flat 7, 7, 4, all the way up the chord, back to the main thing. Okay, so we did all that stuff. So as you're doing that last one, we have an outro, and it's got a synth part that's gonna go. Okay, so all that went over like one more time through the whole main part. So we have, so that's 12 in the little E string to 9 and 9 on the 1st and 2nd strings. 12 again to that 2nd string note, 9 to 9. Up to the 12, we got 10 on the B to 9 on the B. Then we have a little pickup note with this note back to the 12. And then 9 on the 1st string to 12, and then 9 up to 15. Hold that, go to 14, 14 again, to 13. And that's where it ends on that. So that note matches with that. Okay, so one more time in the synth, we got 3, 4. Okay, so and the other part ends with. All right, Because by the Beatles, John Lennon. I saw an interview recently where Sean Lennon says that his mother told him that she was playing Moonlight Sonata and that John Lennon said, hey, could you play those chords but do them like backwards and then tell me what they are? And he got this song out of that. Okay, so good stuff. Talk to y'all soon. Thanks a lot.